Hello everyone, it's Danielle with the Victorious Planner and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be flipping through the Souther Farmhouse Value Pack Sticker Book by The Happy Planner. This was part of their fall release. It is one of the many things I purchased from their fall release. I did do an unboxing video showing you everything I got that I will link above or below if you haven't seen that yet. But for this video in particular, we're just going to flip through the Souther Farmhouse sticker book. I did purchase this to go along with the meal planning planner. They have a couple options for meal planning planners. This is the one that I went with. Love this cover. So excited to have a meal planner. And that was the main reason I decided to get this sticker book, just to go along with my meal planner. So let's take a look inside, and I already have a feeling I'm gonna love these stickers. I love the color scheme of these, especially for meal planning. I don't know, it just has like a cozy vibe mixed in with that. It reminds me of like the fall kitchen feel, especially as we get into the fall and winter here. I definitely spend more time in the kitchen in fall and winter, baking and cooking and all the things. So this is awesome. Loving these colors. Homemade, Bon Appetit, baked with love. Love all these. Happiness is homemade. Love this. Family favorite. Ooh, those will be fun to place next to meals that we try that we really like. Family favorites. That's a great idea. Oh, we're falling apart here. Okay, we'll just kind of hope that stays in. And then here's some habits. This is awesome. So stay consistent with daily check-in, making it a habit. That is awesome. And that can go really well in my meal planner for some of our health goals when we are being mindful of staying away from sugar, for example. I can also use, of course, these stickers in other planners, but I just thought since they go so well with that one, that'll be the main place I use them. And look how adorable these are. Oh my goodness. Love served here. Meals and memories made here. Have a sunshiny day. That's awesome. I love these. Weekend plans, big plans, adventure awaits. That's awesome. So I guess as we're looking through this, I'm realizing this sticker book really could be used for anything. There are some in particular that have to do with food, but you could certainly do weekly spreads with these as well. You have to-do lists, reminders, important today, lots of functional stickers. Here's some more of the weekend plans, big plans, and adventure awaits. Oh my gosh, look at this page. These are gorgeous. So I think this looks like the rose gold foil on these ones, and that is awesome. I love this one, Dare to Begin. I love them all. They're so pretty. And then some more functional chore lists, important, due today. Some boxes. Those are awesome. Oh, and then some circle ones. These are so pretty. I love those. The dried oranges on there, and the charcuterie. Looks like a crazy filled charcuterie board. Those are awesome. I really love these stickers. So I think these were in the Biz Babe maybe sticker book, or they're in one of my other sticker books, and I just love, for some reason I love that they have the straight edge and then the rest is a circle. I just love that style to stick those on little days in your planner. Some more boxes. This sticker book's not staying together very well. Oh, and then here's some of the functional like icon stickers. I love to use these. And actually some of these are in that other sticker book I'm thinking of. I think it's called Biz Babe, but I might be saying the wrong one. But I just love these. The coffee cups, pens, books, and then of course the added, you have the whisks. Those are awesome. The hanging plants. Really cool. And then here's some markers for, we have lunch plan, lunch date, breakfast, brunch, dinner party, dinner plan. Nice. Laughter is loudest where friends are gathered. Love that. Ooh, look at these ones. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. Love the plants, the pillows, all of these. The dog and cat. And we have some appointment stickers. Oh, these are really pretty. So just some lettered words. Relax, home, family. Those are beautiful. Oh, here's some little markers for meals. We have vegan, low carb, low cal, quick, crock pot dinners, meatless. Not quite sure the meatless and vegan will be used very much in my meal planning planner, but they're there just in case. Priorities. Ooh, these are fun. Homemade, all in good taste. And then some more icons. These ones are in the gold foil. And that was the last page. All right. This one, for some reason, the pages are coming out very easily in this one. So I may have to bind this one together or make sure we can get them all back in there. Sometimes they do that, the Happy Planner sticker books, as you flip through them, sometimes they will, the pages will come out. I've seen a lot of people will rip or like cut this elastic off and actually tie it through here to hold your sticker book together. I have never done that. I may have to consider doing that, or just kind of put it back together when I'm done using it. All right, well, there you have it, you guys, the Southern Farmhouse sticker book. Super excited to use this for my meal planning planner, but also seeing some things that I can use just in a regular weekly spread. What about you? Is this part of what you purchased from the fall release? Is it on your wish list? I will have links below for you to purchase this. I'll also make a note at what craft stores this is available at while supplies last. Well, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you for your support. If you loved flipping through this book with me, give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel and make sure you have notifications on so you will be notified when I upload my next video. And I will talk to you then. Bye.